You have a website and you want to add FAQ section, but you don't know anything and you are not able to create any FAQ. Keep watch this video because in this video I totally explore you how to create FAQ using AI. It's absolutely free, so you don't need any payment, any cards, and any other requirement here. So this link I got is in description below. Then click here. Then you are redirect to this website. This is a 10web.io. Then you can see here there are lots of options, so I choose FAQ generator. So now choose what type of questions and answer do you need right now. Example of I need WordPress related questions, so I write WordPress. Just what how many questions and answer do you need right now. So I choose number 5, so I don't always just freely. Then click here. Then you need to wait a few seconds because this is processing time. Wow, you can see here the 5 questions and answer this AI tool right for me. So I copy this one, then add your website. So this is so easy. So if you want to more video to type about AI, chat GPT, make money online, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for it. Thank you.